Hello friends, this is our website e-learning. In this website, we have course homepage, courses, contact, about, blog, login, registration. So when you click on the courses page, it will take you to the categories and the classes. In this, there are you can select the class and the subtopic of that class, and also the lecture number. When you click on that, look at this course button, and you can see class 12 physics, the topic electrostatics, classroom. Then you can go to for using that course. You have to first log in here. Then in the home page, then the home page we have example of the courses, join our community and contact information, the website which is created by me and my partner Anya Jain. So basically this site main motive is to help the students who want to learn through online, like online courses, online learning. So we will provide them a platform so that they can use videos to increase their knowledge. So this is our about page. Here they can know about us, join our community. There's also a blog page where they can create a post regarding any information, any solution they want to tell others, they want to share some kind of information to others. And we'll go to login page. For login, you have to first register yourself. If you have registered, then you can go directly to the login page. Then in the login, like I have logged in as a teacher. It can be shown here. Welcome back, teacher above. So for a teacher, we have that features like course, create class. In this feature, a teacher can create a class like, for example, class 11th, class 10th, class 12th, and some description. And he can also add a picture in that class. In create subject, he can add a title like mathematics, geography, and class like class 12th mathematics, class 12th geography, and description about that class. In create lesson, it can like give lesson number 1, chapter number 1, chapter number 2 of that subject, and a video id like YouTube video id here, and position like first chapter, second chapter, and third chapter, and the same the blog page. Okay, so this is the features for the teachers, and here you can also see the profile. Like my profile is here showing above talk to my username, my email address, bio, and you can also select profile picture also, and you can see that the account has full access to teacher. Okay, then log out. And for a new user, you have to first create his account and go to the registration page. On the registration page, so tell a username like I'm using this, and password. You have to make a strong password like okay, I click on the registration button. Let's see. Yes, it's now saved. So here it's showing welcome 18 will see my username. Now you cannot create class because this is for the student. So students who want to become a teacher can apply here, register as a student. Then we receive the email from them and we will then proceed for to make them a teacher. The features are almost same. They do not create and delete any classes. So this is our website. Thanks for visiting our website.